How does one make a mocktail that's so good, people forget it doesn't have alcohol? Mocktails, or non-alcoholic cocktails, are becoming increasingly popular among those who choose not to drink alcohol or simply looking for a refreshing and flavorful drink without the buzz. However, the challenge with making a good mocktail is to create a drink that is just as satisfying and delicious as its alcoholic counterpart. In this article, we'll explore some tips and tricks to help you make a mocktail that's so good, people forget it doesn't have alcohol. Start with quality ingredients. Just like with any cocktail, the quality of the ingredients can make or break the drink. Use fresh fruits and herbs, quality mixers, and purees to create a mocktail that is full of flavor and aroma. Avoid artificial flavors and syrups, as they can make the drink taste synthetic and unappetizing. Use unique and unexpected ingredients. To create a mocktail that stands out, consider using unique and unexpected ingredients that you wouldn't normally find in a cocktail. For example, you can use fresh herbs like rosemary or basil, or spices like cinnamon or nutmeg to add depth and complexity to the drink. You can also experiment with different types of fruit juices, like pomegranate or passionfruit, to create a unique and refreshing flavor profile. Add texture and complexity. Another way to make a mocktail that is just as satisfying as an alcoholic cocktail is to add texture and complexity to the drink. Consider using different types of mixers, such as soda water or tonic water, to add fizz and texture to the drink. You can also add a splash of bitters or vermouth to create a complex and sophisticated flavor profile. Play with colors and presentation. Just like with any cocktail, the presentation of a mocktail can make a big impact. Play with different colors and textures to create a visually stunning drink. Use garnishes like fresh fruit or herbs to add a pop of color and a touch of elegance to the drink. Serve the mocktail in a beautiful glass, and don't forget to take a photo to share on social media. Balance sweet and sour. One of the key elements of a good mocktail is to balance sweet and sour flavors. Too much sweetness can make the drink cloying and unappetizing, while too much sourness can make it too tart and acidic. Use fresh citrus juices to add a bright and tangy flavor and balance it out with a sweet syrup or puree. Experiment with different ratios until you find the perfect balance of sweet and sour for your mocktail. Incorporate a unique twist. To make your mocktail stand out even more, consider incorporating a unique twist that sets it apart from other drinks. For example, you can use a flavored simple syrup or add a splash of balsamic vinegar to create a surprising and delicious flavor profile. You can also use a unique glass or serve the mocktail with a special garnish to make it feel more special and memorable. Don't forget the ice. Just like with any cocktail, the ice can play a big role in the flavor and texture of a mocktail. Use good quality ice that is free from impurities to prevent it from diluting the drink. You can also experiment with different types of ice, such as crushed ice or large ice cubes, to create a unique texture and mouthfeel for the mocktail. In summary, making a mocktail that is so good, people forget it doesn't have alcohol is all about using quality ingredients, unique and unexpected flavors, and balancing sweet and sour flavors. By adding texture and complexity, playing with colors and presentation, incorporating a unique twist, and not forgetting the ice, you can create a mocktail that is just as satisfying and delicious as its alcoholic counterpart. So, the article by providing some mocktail recipes that are sure to impress. Here are 3 delicious mocktail recipes to get you started. Strawberry basil spritzer ingredients. 1 cup fresh strawberries, hulled and chopped. 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, chopped. 1/4 cup honey. 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. 1/4 cup soda water. Instructions. In a blender, combine the strawberries, basil, honey, and lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher. Fill glasses with ice and pour the strawberry mixture over the ice. Top with soda water and stir. Garnish with fresh strawberries and basil leaves. Spiced pineapple margarita mocktail ingredients. 1 cup fresh pineapple juice. 1/4 cup fresh lime juice. 1/4 cup honey. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 4 teaspoon ground ginger. Salt, for rimming glasses. Lime wedges, for garnish. Instructions. In a pitcher, combine the pineapple juice, lime juice, honey, cinnamon, and ginger. Stir until well combined. Rim glasses with salt. Fill glasses with ice and pour the pineapple mixture over the ice. Garnish with lime wedges. Cucumber cooler mocktail ingredients. 1 cup cucumber, chopped. 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, chopped. 1/4 cup fresh lime juice. 1/4 cup honey. 1/4 cup soda water. Cucumber slices and mint leaves, for garnish. Instructions. In a blender, combine the cucumber, mint, lime juice, and honey. Blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher. Fill glasses with ice and pour the cucumber mixture over the ice. Top with soda water and stir. Garnish with cucumber slices and mint leaves. In conclusion, creating a mocktail that is just as delicious and satisfying as a cocktail requires some creativity and attention to detail. By using quality ingredients, balancing sweet and sour flavors, adding texture and complexity, and incorporating unique twists, you can create a mocktail that is sure to impress. So, get creative and experiment with different ingredients and techniques to make a mocktail that's so good, people won't even miss the alcohol.